Hi, my name is Nur Adil binti Azman. I am working as technical analyst in RHB Investment Bank, who currently hold BBA Finance as well professional technical analyst certificate from Mata. So, did you guys ever heard about Frontkn Corporation Berhad? Frontkn Corporation Berhad is engineering service company, which that a leading provider of support service to the semiconductor industry, surface treatment and mechanical engineering solution, which that serving a wide range of industries such as semiconductor, oil and gas, power generation, marine and more. Furthermore, Frontkn Corporation Berhad is also listed in main market of Bursa Malaysia since 1996. For the analyze the stock and predict the future price, we need to use the indicator to help us when to need to buy and sell the stock. So, from this chart, it shows that I have been use 5 indicators, which is moving average, MACD, RSI, ROC, and stochastic. Moving average, they has 2 type crossover, which is price crossover and moving average crossover. From this chart, it shows that current price are start move downwards, but still does not give any signal to sell. At this point, we can see the investor can choose either to sell or hold the stock, but for to hold it, it gives risky because the price start to decrease. This is because price of the stock already broke the resistance level at the price RM4.62. For buy signal, it's already start when the price crossover, and moving average crossover give a signal to buy the stock. Moving average crossover happen at the price RM4.62 on 18 January 2021 when the short-term moving average crosses the long-term average line from below, while price crossover it show happen when the price line rises through moving average line from below, supported by with high volume. On 7 January 2021. From MACD indicator, we can see the investor can buy the stock on 22 December 2020 when the line MACD and signal line crosses each other from downwards. It also supported by green histogram in above position. So, for currently price, it shows that investors still can hold the stock because the line MACD and signal line does not crosses each other yet. While for the rate of change indicator, it shows buy signal because the line of ROC touch the line 0 on 23rd December 2020. While for sell signal, the investor still can hold the stock, but it's actually better to sell the stock when the price at the peak line, which at the higher price, because the momentum are show slower, which can make the price start to decrease. But if the investor still want to hold the stock, it's actually risky, which can lead the investor may lose their investment. For the RSI indicator, investor can get ready to buy the stock when the line of RSI crosses the line of 30%. It is because that time the price are start cheap because of the short. For the sell signal, it happens when the line of RSI crosses the line 80%, which give a signal because of both. From this chart, show that investor can get ready to sell, but if want to hold the stock, it actually can give risky to the investor, which can make their loss their investment. For this stochastic indicator, buy signal happen when K and D line crosses each other at the same time at the below 20% line. This means investor can get ready to buy the stock. While for the sell signal, it is vice versa, which means K and D line crosses each other, but at the same time above 80% line. This chart shows that sell signal was already happened because right now K and D line was below 80%, which investor should already sell the stock. But if they are not sell the stock, it actually can make the investor risky themselves.
For the recommendation, as we can see that the investor should sell their stock because from the chart, 3 from 5 indicators are show signal to sell, which is ROC, RSI, and stochastic. For a conclusion, as investor, before buy and sell, we should do some research and predict the future price by using the indicator. And the investor also should use at least 3 indicators that can help them to predict the future price and making decision to buy or sell the stock. Furthermore, as investor, they should not be greedy, which is they want to hold the stock for too long, which they predict that the stock can give the increased price, but at the end, it's actually make risky and lost the investment. That's all from me. Thank you.